standard form and ordinary number conversions. That's converting from standard form to ordinary numbers and from ordinary numbers to standard form. We have these sets of questions. We start with the first one, converting from ordinary numbers to standard form. So we have this as ordinary numbers. Converting to standard form simply means introducing a decimal. We have this as 50,700. In converting to standard form, the decimal must be behind the first real digit, which is 5. 0 not included. Let's spread them out. You have 50700. Now, when you have an whole number or a number that is not decimal, the decimal point is always outside. So you move 1, 2, 3, 4. You move 4 steps to get it behind the 5. So you have it as 5.0700 times 10 raised to the power 4. Since we move 4 steps from the right to the left, you have it to the power of 4. That's 10 raised to the power 4. And in this case, these zeros are not important. Since they are behind the last normal digits from 1 to 9, we can have this as 5.07 times 10 raised to the power 4 as our answer. So I hope you understand this. This actually means converting it from ordinary number to standard form. So we have it as standard form in this format, where you have the decimal behind the first digit. For this question, which is question B, the second question, this is a decimal number. It's less than 1. You have your decimal here. You have to move it to the back of the first real number, which is 5. It has to be behind. You move from here, you move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first real digits, making it 5.07 times 10 raised to power. Now, since we moved 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the left to the right, that's a number less than 1. It is going to be minus 5. Unlike the first one, this is going to be minus 5. So let's note that. If you are moving 5 steps from the left to the right, it's going to be minus 5. So this is our answer for the second question. Next is convert to ordinary form. That means you're converting from standard form to ordinary form. Now this is 5.07 times 10 raised to the power 4. If it's 10 raised to the power 4, you move to the right. That means you are creating a number greater than 1. Now if you're going back to this side, you're creating a number less than 1. If you are moving towards this side, you'll be having a number less than 1. So we're going towards this side because this is 10 raised to the power 4. That's plus 4. So we have 5.07. We're moving 4 places to the right. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. In between the movement, you have zeros. So we have it as 50700. That's 50,700. Same as the question we used in converting from ordinary form to standard form. Same for this question, we're trying to take it back from standard form to ordinary form. So we'll go for the second question. We have 5.07 times 10 raised to the power minus 5. Here we have minus 5. That means we are going to the left. So we have 5.07. We're going 5 decimal places to the left. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is where our last decimal is. So you have 0 in between the movements. So we have it as 0. Since we have our point here, we have to add a 0 in front of it. So we have 0. Then there are 4 zeros, 507. Our answer is 0.0000507. That's converting from standard form to ordinary form.